So in this video, I'm going to be discussing my experiences during fully raw days. I had a subscriber saying, "Yo, where you at? We miss you. I hear your message. I hear the vibes. I feel the vibes. I hear the vibes. Oh, I hear the vibe." So I'm going to be talking about my experience in fully raw days, one fully raw day per week. So today is day 23 total for the year. I'm going for 50. And honestly, every time I do it, I'm really surprised. I've got like a green smoothie, dates kill. You know, I like to throw a bunch of like fruit, berries, greens and stuff in my smoothies. And same with like if I'm having like a raw salad, loads of greens and stuff like that. Raw kimchi as well. And what I'm noticing is that every single time I do raw day, I feel so freaking good. Like high fruit, fully raw, I feel so freaking good, like so good. And I've experimented with raw foods in the past. Like I normally do sprints where it's like 1 week raw or like a month raw. But I've never really been able to make it a consistent part of my life, you know? So doing 1 day per week, I find it's just so much easier on the brain. And there's times even with that where I'm like, oh, I don't know if I want to do this, you know what I mean? I'm really enjoying like, you know, my like starches in the evening because I'm doing raw to 4 most of the time. But whenever I do those fully raw days, I feel so freaking insanely good. And I feel so good. I want to reach out to people and be like, you guys, you know, put down the crack pipe. You know, put down the alcohol, you know, just have loads of smoothies and green smoothies and eat loads of like raw foods. It's honestly such a good feeling. And yeah, I've been enjoying it. The accountability is great. This originally started off because of Kiwi Banana. He inspired me to do it, and a bunch of other people have came along the ride. So I'm enjoying it. I think it's great, and I look forward to continuing it and getting 50 per this year and maybe 100 next year. That's the goal. So yeah, things are good. Things are good. I hope you guys are keeping well. Thank you very much for checking this video out. Again, find me if you need on Instagram. I'm more active there. Fruitkid underscore or Fruitkid music. If you want to hear me sort of vibing to ukulele or making tunes. And yeah, like check out that artwork in the background. Oh. But yeah, peace, love, veganism. Hope you guys are keeping amazing. And remember, have fun along the journey in life. Peace.